Hey everyone, American Rally drivers Alastair, Scully, and
Patrick Gruszka.
Here in our machine shop after just finishing the 2025 season. We're doing our final reprep for next year, making our engines brand new with Rottler machines. So that's what we trust when it comes to building our high performance motors that we count on to get us through an entire rally season. Hundreds of miles put on these motors in some of the toughest conditions. And when it comes time to rebuild them here in our shop in Lamont, Illinois, we only trust Rottler machines.
Taking a look around our shop, the only machines we use here are Rottler machines. They've been in the business for over 100 years, and it's all that they do. They're trusted across the nation. We've been using Rottler machines for the last 4 or 5 years. They're the oldest machining company here in America, based out of Kent, Washington. In the business for 100+ years, so you can't beat their quality. And we trust them with all our engines, so they keep us going for the whole entire year, and they're gonna keep us going for many years to come. So
we couldn't do it without them. So thank you so much, Rottler, for the support during our 2025 season. Our team, once again, are national champions, and we couldn't do it without the support of these guys. So thank you, Rottler.